Alright, boys and girls, we're unboxing some equipment from Audison, and now it's time for the AV5.1K HD amplifier. This is an Audison, I don't know how they pronounce this. This is Italian, you know, but I say VOCE, maybe? I don't know. You see the name here, VOCE. This one is 5.1. It's a 5-channel amplifier. The way I will use it is that I'm going to use 2 channels for tweeter, 2 channels for not mid bass, but kind of the mid range, and then 2 channels, or 1 channel actually, for the subwoofers, which is the Hertz Mille 10-inch, the Legend ML 2500.3. So I'm very excited about that. That's said to be a very good sound quality speaker. Maybe a little bit much bass for the expert sound quality guys, but you know, I like a little bit bass, so that's good. Let's see what's inside. This is a full, like it said here, full DA HD. So this has a digital, everything is digital. It's supposed to run together with this Bit1 HD DSP here. This one is to make the car system, the MOST, work with all the digital stuff here. I have the BitPlay HD here that's going to give the sound to the amplifiers, and everything is optical connected, and also with some I don't know what you call them, but it's called AC link and DC link, which link all the amplifiers and stuff together here. So let's see what's inside this baby. Right. Well, it's simply packed, sturdy. Some styrofoam, of course. I think I'm gonna, well, no, I gotta put this here. I gotta have this here for you guys. Let's open this one. Let's have a look at this. This, I would call it a beast. It's a heavy amplifier. You know, we all have our ideas on what brands are good brands and whatnot. For me, I've used Audison many times in different cars, and what I think is their strong side is innovation. They really have first-class amplifiers with big versatility. There's many options for setup on most of them. So I think I need to move this because there's no space for me. I'm going to go back to this box afterwards. So let's see here. I can say that this, you gotta look at that. This is really solid. That's why it's heavy. Probably aluminum, cast aluminum maybe, or strong, heavy, sturdy, quality feel on this. No plastic. Well, there's plastic here, but obviously it's a quality product. Metal here. Maybe I need to dampen this so it will not make that sound. Huh? Anyway, yeah, I think I need to. I don't need to do that. So if you can come up close here. I gotta look at this. Well, I guess this is the speakers. This is subwoofer and power. So battery, ground, and well, it actually has a separate entrance for a capacitor. If you want to use that, I gotta take this box. It was very common before to use capacitors. There's a lot of talk if it has any purpose or not. I'm not going to go into that. That's up to you to decide. I'm not going to have a capacitor. I'm going to have batteries. If that's not good enough, I don't think a capacitor will help me. I hope I'm saying capacitor the right way. Anyway, I'm not English, you know. I'm Norwegian. So, ooh, that was just a speaker that was stuck on the wall here. Gain on off. So this is the AC link remote on off. And here you have, like you have on the DSP, the same in and outs. So this is inputs and outputs to connect the DSP bit 1 HD to this amplifier, and also it will be the same on the other one. I'm going to show you. So here you also have options for the different channels. I do have some to learn here. I'm not sure exactly. Usually it's gain, it's frequencies and stuff, but maybe that's being done a little bit differently on this one. And of course this one is going to be controlled by the DSP, so I don't know if I'm going to use these anyway. Maybe this is just gain, simply just gain, nothing else, because frequencies, time delay, all those things is done by this baby here, bit 1 HD. So that's what's included in the box, and let's see what else is there beside this beautiful styrofoam. So it's a little bit small cable here. Let's take this out, put it there, move the box again. So in this plastic here we have different things. There's cables, there's manuals, and it's ROHS compliant. Have no clue what that is, but that's probably the plastic. Everything today it's about environment, so maybe it's not that scary. Anyway, so again, the old type modem type phone cable thing, which is going to be used for the AD AC link plugs here. So that's included. Here's normal size ANL fuse, which I assume is going to be put in this amplifier. It's 100 amps. I'm not sure where. There's Allen key and screws to screw this. So the Allen key is for these here to remove the okay, I can see. Okay, this is an extra ANL fuse, which is right under here. Maybe also it's in a different size, I'm not sure, but anyway, 100 amps for that. Here we got a different cable. It's a little bit different than this. If you have seen the bit 1 HD video that we had when we unboxed, there was also different cables like this, and it's for the AC link. It's called AD and AC link. So this is AD and this is AC. Exactly what they do is, I'm not sure, 100% how this works. Haven't installed it before. Very excited to do it, but it's the connection between the DSP and the amplifiers, and I guess also the bit HD, the bit play HD as well. So that's included. And here we got a test signal. Okay, so this is also included in the DSP, the bit 1 HD from Audison, but here we got even more. There's manual, there's a user manual, and there's sine sweep, white noise, pink noise, sound wave, and sine wave in different range of hertz. So there we go. Warranty card, which is in all the boxes, and again a quick start guide for the amplifier. And here you got dimension. When you're going to install it, you need to know the dimension of the the amplifier. What my plan is that I'm going to just tape all over it to hide it, it doesn't get scratched, and then move it around and find where I'm going to install it. So this is just explaining how to connect and how to configure it and so on. Usually they have, yeah, it looks like there's a lot of information, but it's actually many languages. They have all the information in many languages in these. So, but anyway, it's the user manual for this full DA HD Audison 5.1 amplifier. So very excited to install this one. Actually, this is kind of the main baby in the system. I can add that this system will be fully active system. It's not a passive system. So what that means is that I'm going to control everything with the DSP, the frequencies for the tweeters and mid-range and the mid-bass under the seats. Actually, in the BMW E60, there's some bass under the seats. I'm going to build the Mille, the MLK 1650.3 Mille Legend. They're going to be underneath the seats. Anyway, so but they will be run by this other one that I'm going to show next. So this one's going to run the tweeters, which is in here, the mid-range, and the subwoofers. I have 2 of these. We're going to look at that later. So that's it for this one, and we thank you for watching.